Hi, I'm Gaynor Burrows and I'm delighted to share with you an opportunity in the student accommodation market sector. Savills have reported 4.3 billion has been invested into purpose-built student accommodation, and this is becoming a leading asset class for investors due to the low entry level and high yield. I'm delighted to share with you Natex student accommodation in Liverpool, which consists of 566 units, split into student clusters and studio apartments. These price ranges range for a cluster at 69,500 or 79,000 for a studio. This is a cash investment with no mortgages available. Natex is a prime location, and 2.3 million students are in higher education in the UK. This is why this is a great opportunity for investors. Overseas investors have contributed 1.4 billion into the UK with transactions, and they see that this is a great opportunity. Clients will receive a 9% net assured rental income for 5 years, and after the 5 years it will continue at this sort of level. It will be fully managed and a hands-off investment that clients not need to worry about finding their students and not worry about voids. This creates a perfect opportunity for buy-to-let landlords that are looking for diversification within their property portfolio. 1 billion has been invested into the plan and the expansion of the Liverpool Knowledge Quarter, which is great for Natex as this is going to be a high demanding area. With only a 5-minute walk from University of Liverpool and Liverpool Johns Moore, this means students don't have far to be able to commute to the university from their accommodation at Natex. With a residentials gym, a 24-hour reception and concierge facility, meeting rooms, laundry facility, cafe, and a security system and intercom which will provide security for the residents here. High-speed internet and free Wi-Fi is also a must on the list for students. With a fully furniture pack included in the property price, is something that investors not need to worry about with regards to additional costs. Completion on Natex will be September 2021. However, clients will still receive a 5% interest paid on their deposit of funds, giving them an income until 2021, which then the 9% will occur. Easy payment options are available, and I'll be delighted to share this information with you. I trust that you found this helpful, and please feel free to give me a call with any questions. I'm here to help you. My telephone number is 07805 795 602. I have a wealth of information and knowledge regarding the student accommodation market sector and be delighted to help you. If you prefer, please feel free to reach out to me by email. It's gaynor@burcrosslimited.com, or I'm on Facebook and feel free to private message me. I look forward to speaking to you very soon, and thank you very much for your time. Bye for now.